Today, we're come up with the Sony Xperia 17, the next generation flagship from Sony. After some controversy over the previous model, Sony is making a strong comeback with this device. It boasts a 4K OLED display, a powerful Snapdragon processor, upgraded cameras, and flagship-level features. Let's break down everything you need to know. Make sure to watch till the end. Sony is bringing back its iconic 4K OLED display, setting it apart from most flagships that still use 1440p or 1080p screens. The 6.5-inch panel delivers ultra-sharp visuals, deeper blacks, and vibrant colors, making it a dream for media lovers and professionals alike. With a 1230 by 2750 pixel resolution, every detail looks crisp, whether you're watching high-definition videos, gaming, or editing photos. To complement this stunning display, Sony has included a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-fluid scrolling, responsive touch controls, and an enhanced gaming experience. Whether you're navigating the UI or playing high frame rate games, expect buttery smooth visuals with zero lag. Under the hood, the Xperia 17 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, one of the most powerful chipsets in the Android world. This means faster performance for multitasking, smoother gaming with high frame rates, and efficient power management for better battery life. With this cutting-edge processor, Sony is ensuring that its flagship keeps up with the most demanding users. Paired with this powerful chipset is 12GB of RAM, providing a lag-free experience, while a 16GB RAM variant could be available for those who want even more power. Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, and possibly even a massive 1TB variant, ensuring you never have to worry about running out of space for your apps, games, and high-resolution videos. Sony has always been a leader in camera technology, and the Xperia 17 is no exception. This time, we get a 48MP main sensor for ultra-detailed shots and a 12MP ultra-wide lens for breathtaking landscapes. Expect stunning low-light photography, natural color reproduction with Sony's superior image processing, and improved dynamic range and sharpness. While exact video specs haven't been revealed, Sony's expertise in cinematography suggests features like 4K HDR recording, advanced stabilization, and slow-motion capabilities. Powering the Xperia 17 is a massive 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without breaking a sweat. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this battery won't let you down. For charging, Sony provides 30W wired charging for a quick power boost and 15W wireless charging for added convenience. While it may not focus on extreme fast charging like some competitors, Sony's battery efficiency ensures longevity and reliability. Flagship features come at a price, and the Xperia 17 is expected to launch at $1,399.99. While this places it firmly in the premium segment, Sony is offering a truly unique smartphone with a 4K OLED display, powerful cameras, and a top-tier chipset. If you're a Sony fan, a media enthusiast, or someone who values pro-grade features, this could be the perfect flagship for you. That wraps up our deep dive into the Sony Xperia 17. What do you think about Sony's latest flagship? Will you be upgrading? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smartphone news and comparisons. Stay tuned for more phones features content, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, peace out.